Right, back to Monday again. All the staff have made it. No one's hungover, which is good. What's he doing in the background? Got this van in this week. This is for a company called All Done Construction. So if you need any construction work, hit these guys up. I do believe he's going to be doing some work in my mother's house. So good stuff. We're wrapping this, so I'm writing it. Benny's been an idiot. Get back to work. So I'm writing this and wrapping it. Full wrap's going to look awesome. We got this A1 in. Let's have a full stage 2 detail. I think we're coating it as well with the wax is dead. As you can see, the water behaviour on it is very naughty. It's not beading. There's no sort of like slickness to it. No protection on the car basically. So we're going to correct that, get it looking very nice. And yeah, Benny is counting my ums by the sounds of it. But yeah, Benny should be dechroming this. We've done the calipers on this, doing the wheels, light tints, maxton kit, lots of other stuff. We did mention that in the last vlog. But yeah, this is going, hopefully have it done by the end of today if Benny starts working. Yeah, gonna look fantastic. And I'm cracking on with this one when I'm not on the phone or doing videoing. So yeah, George is doing absolutely nothing. Oh wait, no, yeah, he's cleaning the floor. He's cleaning the floor. So yeah, cars are washed, van's washed. Gonna get cracking and hopefully have another fantastic week. Right, so it's Friday. Yeah, cheers George. So this Audi A1 looking very good, coming out really nice. Benny's just finishing up the coating today. Gonna bring back to what we say about quality and honesty. You know, a lot of companies will, you know, they like to hide their problems. Okay, so one of the boys, won't name names, broke this plate. We're trying to take it off to when we were washing the vehicle. Unfortunately, it was stuck like shit to a blanket, so it was very strong on there. So the plate's unfortunately cracked. We've let the customer know, she's ordered up a new plate, and we're obviously going to pay for that for her. So just a little thing I thought I'd mention. You know, it's always good to be honest, and at the end of the day, we want to make sure our issues are resolved, even if they're minor like that. So yeah, a little one on that. So this is going to be done. The BMW is coming along, stripping it off. George has got sore fingers again. He loves it. So yeah, it's nearly de-wrapped. Then it's going to come back to us in a couple of weeks' time. We're going to wrap it back up again for the clients. So that's going to be good. I did actually say it was a rear bumper that got damaged on the story the other day. It's actually the front bumper, so silly Billy. Yeah, coming along. This particular one, very nearly done. We just got some graphics on the side. Commercial vehicles, you don't see many commercial vehicles like this on the road. And the important thing to remember with this sort of thing, this is what your clients are going to see. And if you've got this on site and you've got 20 other vans on site, they're going to be looking at this. And when they're looking at this, they're going to be looking at your brand, your number. So, you know, customers come to us and they go, I want to do something that makes my business stand out. This is a prime example of how to market your business. Use your van as a platform to market your business. Quite a simple design with a two-tone, but it looks very effective, and it's going to be fantastic for the business owner moving forward to get his name out there and get more recognition. I mean, his work's fantastic, so you know, now he's got a vehicle to look the part too. So yeah, getting there. Been a good week. I think we've got pizza for lunch, so that'll be good. And I don't really need any more pizza. But yeah, oh yeah, got my slippers on, obviously. These aren't even mine, these are George's. So George actually turned up to work this morning wearing slippers. So yeah, I didn't realise, but had I realised, I would have shooed him out the door. There's no way to come to work. You shouldn't be wearing slippers at work. So I thought I'd wear them for the rest of the day. So yeah, getting on. Finish up tomorrow, got some jobs, and then it's straight into next week. Got a load of stuff. Don't know what we got in, but yeah, sure it'll be good. Salone Events. That's the one, isn't it? Who are you running away from? We got Salone Events. So we are partners of Salone Events. A fantastic company. They do supercar track days. So we're doing some branding for them. We're doing a branding wrap for their vehicle. We will be attending their events. We are actually they are giving away some gift vouchers at their events for us. So if you know Salone Events, if you go to their events, pop on down, get a voucher, and you can come down and get some money off with us. So there you go, I'll give you that one for free, all right? Nutritious lunch here. Got my fizzy rainbow belts, Mr. Mouse on it, you know. Keep my energy up. Got to have the energy, and yeah, that's what I eat every day, all day. Got to bring your sunglasses, you know. This place is brighter than Kanye West's. Fuck's sake. Fuck. Feel like a quarterback, you know, when they're like that. Right. So back again, obviously, again, fucking hell, we've got to start something a bit better than that. Hey guys, what did I say? Yeah. Hola. Hola. So back again, thank fuck, it lasts another week.